As we mentioned in the first course, Maxsurf is a marine vessel analysis and design software that comprises a suite of different applications, such as the Maxsurf Modeler, Maxsurf Resistance, Maxsurf Stability, Maxsurf Motions, and Maxsurf VPP, each one specific to a particular aspect of the design and analysis of vessels, yachts, and boats. In this second course of a series dedicated to Maxsurf, we are going to focus on the Maxsurf Modeler, Maxsurf Stability, and Maxsurf VPP. Although we have already worked in detail on Maxsurf Modeler in the first course, we have one more step to take. Modeling directly in Maxsurf Modeler started from the zero design phase without having a line spline as a guide and applying concepts of naval engineering design. Then we will work with that model on others in Maxsurf Stability, performing all hydrostatic calculations using hull sections accurately calculated from the Maxsurf Modeler design. In Maxsurf Stability, we are going to perform different types of analyses, such as upright hydrostatics, large angle stability, equilibrium conditions, specified conditions, calculating Kn curves, and also limiting Kg or minimum GM curves, floodable length, longitudinal strength. This means calculating the longitudinal loading, shear force, and bending moment for the evaluation of hull-girder stresses, producing tank calibration tables and graphs. And finally, we'll use the Sable model in the first course in Maxsurf VPP, analyzing its performance for different navigation conditions. In the first unit, we are going to present the basic characteristics of the vessel to be designed in Maxsurf Modeler based on the commands and techniques already learned in the first course, and deepen in modeling with some new techniques. We are also going to work with surfaces predefined by the program, and we are going to develop some engineering and naval architecture concepts necessary for the model of the ship to be designed. In Maxsurf Stability, we are going to present the basic interface and commands. We are going to explain how to load and prepare the model for the calculations, and also how to set another inputs such as the type of sea, the type of waves, the density of the fluids. We are going to explain how to obtain compartments and tanks, loading conditions. We are going to define sounding points and loading points, and we are going to perform the different calculations that we mentioned before, such as stability calculations and verifying of stability criteria. And in Maxsurf VPP, we are going to explain how to input the different data for our VPP analysis, such as the wind data, the rig data, and the hull data. And we are going also to explain how to interpret the results and how to use the polar diagrams of velocity, of righting moment, of crew, and some others. Remember that Naval Lab students enrolled in one or more courses may have free access to Maxsurf. You can find more information about this in this link.